limited. Defunct. Ultra rare.
Hats and caps unboxings. Today we have a NHL cap presented by Famous Thinking. Sneakers.famousthinking.com. 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 That is where you can find NHL hats. That is the sponsor. Let's take a look. There it is, the Colorado Avalanche of the NHL. There's a lot going on with this hat, so we'll just take a look shortly at the details. As you can see, this is one of their Stanley Cup champion hats. That is the theme of this hat. Let's take a close look here. What we got going on. So there you see, Champion, clever. We got the Avalanche logo. That's the A, and Champions Stanley Cup right there. We're working with a 7.5. Zoom out, and let's take a look at other details of the cap. So let's do a side of the cap, and there you have the Stanley Cup 96, 2001. Those are 2 times they won the championship. However, they won 3 Stanley Cup Championships. They won in 2022. So this cap, I believe, likely came out before the 2022 win. So I'm assuming this cap came out within the last 4 years or so, before New Era and the NHL. They're not together anymore. I said it's in every NHL New Era video. In the NHL are the distribution. They're the distributors. New Era not so much as the general supplier. So New Era and team stores only. So that's a nice little detail though on the cap. Well, let's keep it moving. We have a gray UV on this one. That's probably the right color to go with. I like that. And yeah, the NHL badge right there. The official product, the license, the New Era with the material. Oh, and it's a sample. How about that? It is a sample size, 7.5 we're working with, and there is the sample tag. This is a sample cap. Ultra rare. You do not see this often. That's a nice little surprise. So what do you think of this cap? Like it or love it? Dislike it or hate it? A lot going on with it. Got some nice imagery, and it's unique. It's an NHL New Era, and it's a sample on top of that. So that's pretty awesome. If you like this type of content, subscribe to the channel. If you want to purchase hats like these, everything's in the description. Take a look where to buy it. Free shipping, USA. And that is that. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. This is an awesome find. Just an awesome hat. Bye.